Hello my fellow YouTubers and welcome back to your girl Bianca ChanelXO channel. I am in rare form today, like rare form. I am about to attempt to do something to my hair because I'm kind of just tired of the wigs. I wanted to get my hair braided, but I'm just going to do a quick weave. I'm going to do the half up, half down quick weave or whatever. I would record it for y'all, but I don't have enough storage on my memory card, and your girl ain't about to go nowhere and get no memory card right now. So I'm about to attempt it. Like, I used to do my hair all the time, like back in the day, like in school and stuff. And I've always done hair, like I make wigs. I've always done my own hair, different styles and stuff. So I know how to do it. It's been a minute since I did my own hair, other than rocking wigs or making wigs and stuff like that. So I'm just going to use the hair that I had for my birthday. I was gonna make a wig out of it, but I never get around to ordering a closure. So I'm about to use that hair to do this half up, half down style. So I'm going to be using the neck strips. I'm just going to like braid the back part of my hair, then put the neck strips on, then put the one stocking cap on, and then put the I'm gonna sew it down so that this is like, so nothing will get on my actual hair. And I just got some hair bonding glue, and I'm going to be using bobby pins, beeswax, pump it up spray to slick down the front part. So hopefully when you want to see me, this mess is tamed. Like, it looked this way because I just like took it out of braids because I washed it yesterday and I put it in two big braids. So yes honey, so let me get to this style. So hopefully y'all let us break, like, that it come out A1.
One eternity later.
What up y'all, I completely forgot that I was vlogging it and to come back and show y'all how my hairstyle turned out. But basically, so y'all can see, this is how it turned out. Let me turn around so y'all can see the back. It is half up, half down, and it is a quick weave. So just look from the side. So, you know, I ain't did my hair in so long, but it came out so cute. So I'm loving this style. Probably only gonna keep it in for like 2 weeks, if I keep it in for that freaking long. But so far, I ain't feel like laying no baby hairs because, you know, I don't really have baby hairs like that anyway, and I ain't trying to fake the fuck unless I got a wig on. But yeah, this is how it came out. I literally just got home. It's like, I want to say 10:30 at night. Now this hair is supposed to be like 20 inches, but I think it's way longer than 20 inches. It ended up cutting it down just a little bit. So next time when I do this hairstyle, I'll probably do or show you how I do it. But yes, I love it how it came out. I'm very content with how it came out. So let's get into the rest of this vlog. Hello my fellow YouTubers, what up though? I was supposed to be vlogging today. It's currently like 8 something at night. I just got back home. I'm about to go meet up with my bestie for some drinks tonight. It's Monday night. I've been out and about all day. Forgot my camera at home, but I'm gonna bring y'all with me tonight. So let's do a quick little outfit of the day. I got this shirt on with just some black leggings and some cute little wedge heels. But I got this shirt from Old Navy. It's a little cool outside, so I'm probably just going to put on a little sweater. But yes y'all, like, I've been gone all day and left the freaking vlogging camera light though. Let me turn my light. But yes, y'all, I've been gone all day. I left the vlogging camera. Noble is on one. He acting cray. But I'm about to get out of here. I'll catch up with y'all when I make it to my destination. Hello, my fellow YouTubers, and welcome back to your girl Bianca ChanelXO channel. What up, so y'all? It's been a minute since I uploaded a freaking vlog, y'all. I just been so busy with work, and I've just been trying to clear my aura because I've been taking a break from like social media. I've been trying to like basically train myself to not grab my phone as soon as I wake up in the morning, or to not just grab my phone, but to actually just sit and just give God thanks, read some scripture, because you need the word in your life, honey. Read some scripture, meditate on some things, and just have time and talk with God, because that's something that I've really been lacking for a while, and I just feel like something is missing. And I've probably been doing this for a week, where I try not to grab my phone as soon as I wake up. That's not the first thing that I gravitate towards. So I've been feeling awesome. I've been feeling encouraged, and you know, maybe if you was feeling how I was feeling, maybe you should try it too. But right now I'm about to head out because I'm about to go get these brows done, honey. Like, yes, they look A1 right now because your girl know how to pull it together, but honey, when my lash lady wipe my eyelash, when my arch lady wipe all this away, honey, it's bushes, like straight bushes. Like, my stuff just be straight bushes, so I gotta go get them together. But y'all, this weather is beautiful outside, but the wind is blowing, so can we just say a prayer for me and my wig, cause your girl wig ain't on tight at all. I'm using this comb and the back comb. I don't do the side comb, so just pray your girl wig do not fly off. How embarrassing would that be? Like, bro, that would be so embarrassing. But it's gorgeous outside, and tomorrow is Cinco de Mayo. Turn up for the one time. Look at Noble. Look how big he got, y'all. Say hi, Noby. He got so big and so long. And yes, y'all will be seeing him on the vlogs because he's literally my child. I love him. Noby, I love you, even though you're not paying attention to me right now. But that's enough talking, y'all. I'm about to go ahead and head on out, and I'll catch up with y'all later. Ooh, paradise. Was it very nice? People living in the world for material things. Yo, I know I'm probably looking a mess because every time I go get my eyebrows done, my makeup get messed up. So, you know, I have to reboot it into it, reboot it into it, reboot it into it, reboot it into it, and get it right, y'all. So, if I look a little crazy right now, that's because. But yes, I come and get my eyebrows done by my girl KJ. I love her, y'all. My energy has just been off today. Like, I had to stop and pray because everything that I was trying to do was just not going right. Like, it was just crazy. Everything, like, literally. Oh, his dog is so pretty. It looked like Lassie. But everything that I was literally trying to do was just not going right within the last hour of me trying to get to my appointment. Like, number one, I forgot 696 was shut down. Couldn't go 696, so I had to go 12 mile. Mind you, it was kind of like close to rush hour, but not really. So then I made a mistake and paid one of my bills, paid my Comcast bill on the wrong card, which messed up my complete, because I have a card because I have a card that's just set for bills, and I pulled from the wrong account. So that completely threw me off. Then on top of that, I forgot to stop at the money and get some ATM. Stop at the ATM and pull some money. so I could put gas in my car because I was running on fumes, and I don't never run on fumes. That's the crazy thing about it. So then I forgot to do that. I went to the gas station so I can use their ATM and just pull out the money and put gas in my car. Their power was out because, like I said, the wind is blowing crazy in Michigan. Then I finally got to another gas station that wasn't too far from my eyebrow lady, and got there, got the money out, put my gas. Y'all, the wind was blowing so hard. Why would I pull the gas thing out? Gas blew on me, like, bruh. Ooh, the devil is trying me today, but I am not going to let him steal my joy whatsoever. Like, I had to stop and just pray, like, no, we ain't even about to do this. You ain't even about to alter my mood today, because it's too beautiful outside for me to be like, oh my God. So we had to reset, we had to reboot and get it together. What up though, y'all? I just made it home, and look who's in my arms. It's Nobu, and he's being bad. He would not stop me out until I picked him up, so I picked him up, and he into mischief, or however you say it. But I just got home. I am about to clean out my closet. Like, I started on my shoes. I did go to Walmart. I didn't get nothing for me. I got everything for Nobu. I bought him food and snacks and treats and stuff, and some more toys. So can you really stop licking your booty in my arms though? What's going on? But yes, I'm about to clean. Y'all see this? I'm about to clean out my closet. Let me show you what I did so far. Y'all don't mind. Oh, I was sitting here looking in the mirror, but y'all don't mind my closet, because like I said, I'm spring cleaning. Ain't that right, Noble? Say, don't judge us. Don't do it. And he's steady grooming. What you gonna do? You gonna groom yourself or keep biting my necklace? What's going on here? You about to get put down because you on some other stuff. You on some other stuff. So let me show you my closet. He about to run up in here. This like the only place in my house that I don't allow him to be. So he think he about to have a field day. But y'all, look at my closet. Like, it's just like ridiculous. I need to get this organized. I still got laundry down there that I need to fold. I put a lot of my summer shoes out, but I couldn't put all of them. Like, I got shoes in these two bins. Those is flip-flops I'm about to get rid of. These is basically from here to here is like all winter stuff. So, and this is just where I keep like all my nail polishes and my fragrances and body lotions and stuff that I don't use in real life. I use the lotions the most, but like the sprays and stuff, I don't really use them. There go my sauna suit back there. Over here got bras and all types of jeans, and just up there is just, I need to organize my closet. Like, y'all can see my little collection of wigs. Got some little pads out there. Like, it's just stuff all over the place. And your girl, y'all see, like, I'm like the cleanest person ever in life. In this closet, I'm gonna just have to get it together. But yeah, I just really, I was on vlogging Walmart, but I really was like in there for a hot second. So if y'all hear noise in this clip, it's because my fan is on and I'm not turning it off because it's hot, and I'm not turning on no air yet, honey. So y'all just gonna have to bear with it. But yeah, I was on vlog, but I was like, what's the point of me vlogging when I'm just about to go in here and run and get his food? And I went to go pick up some more of my favorite lip gloss because your girl keep running out, but they didn't have it. So I got another color that's similar. It's very similar. I think it's practically the same color. I think this is a little bit lighter and a little bit pinker. Is pinker a word? A little bit more pink. And this Addiction, and it's number 12 by Milani. If y'all have not tried their lip glosses, Milani, y'all need to sponsor me. But the way I be showing y'all out. But yes, y'all, I'm about to work on this closet, and if I don't check back in with y'all tonight, I'll check back in with y'all tomorrow. But let's go.